Action!
Oh no, my classes are starting soon. How am I going to make my classes more entertaining and lively? What am I going to do?
Did you say you need help making your classes more entertaining and lively?
Yeah, I did. My trainer said I'm stiff and boring.
When I first started teaching, my trainer said I'm stiff and boring too. But there are 4 tips that can help you to be not only a more captivating teacher, more entertaining and lively, but it will also make your teaching more effective and memorable for the students.
Oh, cool! Can you tell me which ones?
Of course. And with these 4 tips, you'll come to see that being a good online teacher has a lot to do with being a good actor.
Oh, like what we're doing right now?
Yeah, no. Tip number 1, energy! Remember, you're just on a screen in their room, but you really wanted to feel like you're in the classroom with them with your energy. Talk to your students like you are excited to be there and teach them and see them. Let's try together. Can you show me how you would normally greet your students?
Hi everyone, it's Sam.
Now say it like you've just had 3 espressos and you're super happy all the time and you are super excited. You have been waiting the whole day just to see these students. And it's your life's passion to talk about colors, stationery, or past continuous tense.
Hello everyone! How are you? My name is Sam.
Perfect. Now try keep this energy throughout the class, such as when you're commending the students for their answer. Will you say, "Good job"?
No, I would say brilliant.
Awesome!
Outstanding.
Amazing!
Fantastic.
Terrific!
Cool.
Excellent! Tip number 2. Another way to use actions and acting is TPR.
Oh yeah, total physical response. When you use movements to help students learn and understand, right?
Right. Using visual and auditory senses, as well as kinesthetic movements to repeat after you, children are able to learn new vocabulary and words in an interactive way, in a more natural way, the way the children acquire language from growing up, by watching, listening, and repeating what they see. You can use TPR to help your students learn new, say, verbs. For example,
Run.
write,
Drive.
climb, sleep, or maybe look. You can also use TPR to demonstrate just about any new vocabulary. For example, girl,
Boy.
apple,
Drink.
computer,
Tall.
small.
Play the flute.
Listen to music. Tip number 3, gestures. Move your hands and your shoulders to express feelings and attitudes behind your words. Using gestures stirs up your feelings and enlivens your voice. For example, it also makes you easier to listen to and understand. Or, It also makes you easier to listen to and understand.
Oh, so maybe I should say something like, "Whoa, that was awesome, kids!"
High five.
No.
Keep going.
What's this?
I like pizza.
Can you say it?
Yay! You can also combine gestures with instructional TPR to help students understand the instructions you are telling them. For example, stand up.
Sit down.
Repeat after me.
Apple.
Tip number 4, facial expressions. Facial expressions are a way to convey your emotions in a way that is universally understood. You can use your eyes, your mouth, and your head to reinforce ideas and show emotions. You can obviously use facial expressions when teaching emotions, like happy,
Sad.
angry,
Bored.
disgusted,
Scared.
surprised. But you can use your face to add life to all of your teaching. For example, when you greet them, happy.
For when you say goodbye to them. Bye-bye.
When you talk about something you like, excited.
Or when they give you a right answer. Wow, that was awesome!
When you ask a question, thoughtful.
Or when your students like spiders and you don't. I see what you're saying. I guess that does help me when I'm teaching new students. Wow, thank you, Teacher Shelby. Oh, wait, should I say, thank you, Teacher Shelby, that was awesome!
You're welcome, Teacher Sam. And if you'd like more ideas on teaching tips or how to make your own props, feel free to visit Waijiaoyi's YouTube page.
Okay, I will. Waijiaoyi. Why do I feel like I've heard this? Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much, Shelby. That was amazing.
Thanks for watching.